All right, how to play the 12-bar blues on piano with 3 levels. Level 1 is the easiest, C, F, G. Do that in the low left-hand part of the keyboard, all the way down here near the end, okay? I've labeled this section just to make it clear, but do it as low as you want. Anywhere there sounds good, okay? Level 1 is just to hold the note for 4 beats. So if you look at your chart for the 12-bar blues, you'll see that C goes for a while, 4 bars. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, we hold a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause the video, go back 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and play that along with me. That's the first line of your 12-bar blues chart. Now let's go on to the next line. It goes F for 2, and then C for 2. Okay, so I recommend you use these fingers, your pinky and your second finger, okay? Use these fingers. We're gonna play F twice and C twice. Hold for 4, like this. Hold, 2, 3, 4, and every time you switch, it's 4. Okay, ready? 2 Fs and 2 Cs. Please play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. F, 2, 3, 4. Again. F, 2, 3, back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your second line done. Now move on to the third line, the hardest one. For this, you're going to need your thumb, please. Don't use any other fingers. Use your thumb and use your second and fifth finger, okay? If you look at your chart, you see the G goes for 4, 2, 3, 4, or 1 bar. F goes for 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to C and back to G, okay? So follow me. The plan is G, F, C, G. G, F, C, G. You ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. G, 2, 3, F. 2, 3, C. 1, 2, back to G. 4, 3, 2, 1. You meant to hold that down. Cool? All right, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, let's go. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3 again. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, second line. F, play along with me. F, back to C we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, up to G, last line. G, 2, 3, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, 3. Finish with G. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we restart the whole song back to C. Okay? Guys, that's your level 1. Anyone can do that, just takes 3 fingers. Level 2 now involves the chords. Okay? For the chords, you need your C, your F, your G. You're going to need C, F, A. That's your first 3 chords done. And here's your G. Okay, that's what you need. Here you go. All done. All right, chord number 1, C, E, G. Keg. Please practice that. 3 fingers, yeah? Curve your fingers. Keg. I'm going to move these out of the way and get weird with the fingering so you can see, but you're meant to play like that. So guys, practice playing C once. Take your hand off, move the mold. Twice, take your hand off the piano. 3 times, 4 times, 5, 10 times. All the way around. Many times, so you're pushing down, taking your hand off. Please practice this chord 10 times. Now practice the second chord, the F chord. It goes like this, C, F, A. Practice that 10 times. Hand off 10 times in a row, please. Hand off, rotate the hand, back to that shape, okay? And then when you're done, you can practice the G chord, which is the same shape, just move it over 1. Here, D, G, B. Okay, did I forget to write that? I did, excuse me. Digaba. Play that 10 times. Once, hand off. Twice, hand off. 3, and you notice the fingers that I'm using, yeah? Okay? 10 times that, and you're good to go. To put it together, you need to be able to go from C to F, back to C. So practice that a bunch of times. C, F, C. Rewind the video, watch me over and over as many times as you need. Then you need to practice going from C to G. I'll do it again. From C to G. Practice that. C to G. 10 times, please. And then to finish the practice, you need to go from G to F, G to F 10 times, back to C. So once you've done all those reps, please make sure you pause the video and rewind it. Do all those reps. Once you've done the reps, you can now play along with the whole song. Okay, so the whole thing like C, 2, 3, 4, C. Pretend we're in the second line and F, back to C. What about the last line? G to an F. To a C, 2, 3, to a G. You just hold it down for 4 beats. Hold, 2, 3, 4, hold. Okay? If that's too easy, you want like a slight extension to level 2, like 2B, you can pulse. Yeah, you can pulse. So 1, 2, each one for 4, each one for 4. Okay, but I highly recommend you start with just holding it down until your timing is strong. Then finally, if you want to go level 3, well, it's easy. Put the C in the left with the C, G in the right. Put those two together. So it's C in the left, C, G in the right at the same time. Bam. I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I can't do it, but C with C, E, G. F with C, F, A, and G with D, G, B. And again, I recommend you practice going from C to F a bunch of times, then F to G, and then G to C. Just practice rotating so you put the left hand and right hand at the same time, and you've gone through the whole sequence. Please practice that slowly, guys, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.